Hello, everyone, and welcome to Complete Training. What this software does is publishes to social media, both now and off into the future. You can also use this to report on all of your social media ROI, including your leads generated, revenue generated. We're going to show you how to set that up. You can view a marketing calendar to view all of your activities into the future, as well as view past events. You can also use it to create things like viral sweepstakes that generate thousands of leads for your business. You can create photo and video contests to engage your audience and generate tons of user-generated feedback. And I'll even show you how to syndicate that feedback and those user-generated photos and videos directly to your newsfeed within Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and others. So stick around. It's going to be a great training session. To get started, though, we have some housekeeping to do. Since it's a new account for you, let's set it up. What you do is go to the down arrow and click Add Account. This is going to take you into the main preferences of your account. So from here, the first thing to do is to set up all of your social accounts. What you can do within the software is set up Facebook business pages and Facebook groups. You can also add LinkedIn company pages and LinkedIn personal accounts. You can add Instagram 3 different ways. So there are 3 ways to publish. One is to publish directly. The only limitations of this are you cannot do stories and you can't publish to personal accounts. The next way to publish is via the mobile app. The mobile app is called Campaign Share. If you search Apple or Google for Campaign Share, you can find our mobile app. And this allows you to publish to stories and even to personal accounts. But the limitation here is it's not fully automatic. It's going to send you a notification. Then you go to your mobile app and it will make a sound, and it makes it very simple from there. You click on the icon and it will actually load it into your Instagram app. And from there you can publish. It'll even copy your caption directly into the clipboard, so you just have to paste it. You can publish directly via viral.io. This is an integration we have with a third party, and this basically allows you to do anything. You can automatically publish with no extra steps to personal accounts or business Instagram accounts. You can do stories. You can publish multiple photos at once as a carousel. You can publish videos. There's no limit. The only hang up is Viral charges a few bucks per account per month, so you have an additional expense there. Google My Business, you can add all of your Google My Business locations here. Twitter, add your Twitter accounts, and even your YouTube channel. The reason you want to get your channel added is not only can you publish to your YouTube channel if you have new videos, but you can also syndicate those in one step to all of your social media channels. Additionally, you can add things like video campaigns, video contests, video galleries. And the way this works is you ask your audience to submit a video, and then we will syndicate that to your channel. And if they want to share it, we can do that to their social media accounts as well to help spread the word about your company and your brand. So once you're done with this, we're going to scroll on down. The default of moderation settings is perfect, so I would not change this, but you can review it. Analytics integration by default is going to drop in all of your Google Analytics code. If you use something other than Google Analytics, you can make modifications here. This and these parameters are going to be added to every link that you share using the software. If you want to disable shortening and tracking of links, just check here. Conversion tracking code, this is important. You're going to add lead conversion event tracking codes, shopping cart codes, and even custom tracking codes. So you can add additional custom tracking codes. And what you do with these codes is you're going to copy them, then go to your website, and anywhere you have a conversion event, let's take a lead event. So let's say that you have an email sign-up form on your homepage. What you would do is go into that email sign-up form, and after people successfully submit their email, you probably have a thank you page saying thank you for submitting your email. On that page, take that 1x1 transparent pixel. We give you the full code for that image. Paste that pixel anywhere in the body of that screen. That way, when the screen loads and it says thank you, it will also load that invisible pixel which tells our software that we succeeded. And it will track and report back that this was a successful conversion, and it will tell you what the original source of that traffic was that led to that conversion. Next, we have email notification preferences. This is where you're going to set up your email, sender name and sender reply to, custom campaign domain. You'll want to talk to your account manager about enabling this. By default, you'll be able to add things like your brand dot, the name of the software.com. But if you want to have this be, let's say you're Pepsi and you want this to be, campaigns.pepsi.com, speak to your account manager about setting that up. There may be an additional expense. White label applications, again, speak to your account manager about enabling this. It's not enabled by default. And what this will allow you to do is anytime you're running a campaign that has sharing, we will use your custom app within Facebook, for example. So if they sign up for a viral sweepstakes and they want to sign up through the Facebook sign-in, instead of having our brand show, it'll have your brand show on that application permission request. Once you're done here, click Save, and you are ready to jump into the publisher.